Hi guys, it's my vending machine. So this is where you slide so the candy will fall, and this is where you're going to put the money in there. And this is where you get your prize, and just like that. When your candy falls, look, I'll just slide it. When your candy falls right there, you can sometimes pull this one, or you like that, so the candy will fall to them. You get the candy like that. Then I'll just put it back. Just need a piece of cardboard. There we go. And here's the candy refiller. That's the candy pot. Then it falls. It falls here. It falls here. See? And see? Falls here. Falls there. Falls here. Then you can see that it's a money container. That's why it folds the money like that. Then it choose here the price for electric. Easy, right? So easy. So just put it back. There. Into it. Then I'll put a coin. I'll just put a coin. Then I'll slide this one. Sometimes there it falls. Whoa. Okay guys, thanks for watching.